Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to solve the problems in exercise 2.4. The base of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter less than its base. Find the area of the parallelogram. Here the base of the parallelogram is given and a clue is given. The height is 7 centimeter less than its base. So, B is equal to 16 centimeter. H will be equal to base minus 7 centimeter. Base is nothing but 16 centimeter minus 7 centimeter, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Now, we know the base and the height of the parallelogram. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units, that is equal to 16 into 9 centimeter square, which is equal to 144 centimeter square. An agricultural field is in the form of a parallelogram whose area is 68.75 square hectometer. The distance between the parallel sides is 6.25 hectometer. Find the length of the base. Here, area is given and the distance between the parallel sides. It is nothing but the height of the parallelogram is given. You are asked to find the length of the base. So, height of the parallelogram is equal to 6.25 hectometer. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 68.75 square hectometer. We know the formula for the area of the parallelogram. It is nothing but base into height square units. Base into height square units is equal to 68.75 square hectometer. That is, B into H is equal to 68.75. From this, substitute the value for H, simplify and get the answer for B. The length of the base is equal to 11 hectometer. A square and a parallelogram have the same area. If the side of the square is 48 meter and the height of the parallelogram is 18 meter, find the length of the base of the parallelogram. Remember that in this problem it is given that area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. From this, we are going to find the length of the base of the parallelogram. Given side of the square is equal to 48 meter. How to find the area of the square? Side into side, square units. Therefore, area of the square is equal to side into side square units, that is equal to 48 into 48 meter square. Just keep as it is. What is the height of the parallelogram? It is nothing but 18 meter. The formula for area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. It is given that area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. B into 18 meter square is equal to 48 into 48 meter square. From this, find the value of the base. Therefore, the base of the parallelogram is equal to 128 meter. The height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. If the area of the parallelogram is 676 square centimeter, find the height and the base. Let the base of the parallelogram be B centimeter. What is given? Height is equal to 1/4 of its base. It is nothing but 1/4 into B. That is 1/4 B. Area of the parallelogram is 676 square centimeter. That is, base into height square units is equal to 676 square centimeter. B into H is equal to 676. B into 1/4 B is equal to 676 because H is equal to 1/4 B. Now, just cross multiply that 4, simplify, get the value for H. Therefore, height is equal to 13 centimeter and base is equal to 52 centimeter. The area of the rhombus is 576 square centimeter and the length of one of its diagonal is half of the length of the other diagonal. Then Find the length of the diagonals. Let one diagonal of the rhombus is equal to d1 centimeter. The other diagonal d2 is equal to half of the first diagonal. It is nothing but 1 by 2 into d1, that is equal to half d1. Area of the rhombus is equal to 576 square centimeter. Half into d1 into d2 is equal to 576. Half d1 into half d1, because d2 is equal to 1 by 2 d1, that is equal to 576. Now just cross multiply. Find the value of d1 and d2. It is clearly mentioned here. Therefore, the length of the diagonals, d1 is equal to 48 centimeter and d2 is equal to 24 centimeter. A ground is in the form of isosceles trapezium with parallel sides measuring 42 meter and 36 meter long. The distance between the parallel sides is 30 meter. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 135 per square meter. Parallel sides of the trapezium, A is equal to 42 meter, B is equal to 36 meter. Height is equal to 30 meter. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 30 into 42 plus 36 meter square. We will get the answer as 1170 meter square. Cost of leveling 1 meter square is equal to rupees 135. Therefore, cost of leveling 1170 meter square will be equal to rupees 135 into 1170, that is equal to 1,57,950 rupees. In a parallelogram PQRS, PM and PN are the heights corresponding to the sides QR and RS respectively. If the area of the parallelogram is 900 square centimeter and the length of PM and PN are 20 centimeter and 36 centimeter respectively, find the length of the sides QR and SR. Considering QR as the base of the parallelogram, height H1 is equal to 20 centimeter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 900 centimeter square. B1 into H1 is equal to 900. B1 into 20 is equal to 900. Therefore, B1 is equal to 900 divided by 20, that is equal to 45. B1 is equal to 45 centimeter, which implies QR is equal to 45 centimeter. Again, considering SR as base, height is equal to 36 centimeter, area is equal to 900 centimeter square. B2 into H2 square units is equal to 900 centimeter square. B2 into H2 is equal to 900. B2 into 36 is equal to 900. B2 is equal to 900 divided by 36, that is equal to 25 centimeter, which implies SR is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, QR is equal to 45 centimeter and SR is equal to 25 centimeter. Find the area of the parallelogram ABCD if AC is 24 centimeter and BE is equal to DF is equal to 8 centimeter. Just look at the diagram. The area of the parallelogram ABCD will be equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ADC. We know the formula to find the area of the triangle as half into base into height square units. So, here area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into 24 into 8 centimeter square, that is equal to 96 centimeter square. Next, we have to find the area of triangle ADC. Therefore, area of triangle ADC will be equal to again half into 24 into 8 centimeter square, that is equal to 96 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the parallelogram ABCD will be equal to 96 plus 96 centimeter square, that is equal to 192 centimeter square.